Today in Chesapeake Bites, we'll be making a double chocolate kraut cake. Don't be afraid, it's absolutely delicious. Let's get cooking. Because I know why you're here. You don't care about the sauerkraut, some of you. You really are interested in, what do they all come for? Why do they come to the Kraut Fest? Douglas?
It's always for dessert, for the chocolate sauerkraut cake.
Chocolate sauerkraut cake, you know, and so when we started doing that, first people said, oh my God, that's going to be so gross. And they come back and they absolutely love it.
It has to be there.
And Douglas is a pastry chef, so it makes sense that he would be the guy to make all this happen.
Okay.
You know, everybody has their KitchenAid, right? This is my KitchenAid.
I was yesterday.
And it's so much easier to have.
I love you. Your mixer looks as old as mine.
This is vintage.
They never break.
I might get out our whisk and show you that, but we do have some vintage equipment here. So Mare, what you're going to do is you're going to help Douglas cream the sugar and the butter.
The most important part of a dessert, butter and sugar.
Yes, sir.
And creaming them together. All right, so we're out to a great start.
All right, great start, great start.
Just going to mix that around just a little bit more.
Should I beat it a little bit more?
Oh yeah, keep
just a little
going.
bit more. We'll start slowly adding some of the eggs and the rest of our vanilla
Yeah,
here.
and that'll help it all come together, won't it, Douglas?
There we go. The emulsification stage, very important in mixing. We're just getting to our creamy stage, and then we're going to have our dry stage.
Okay.
You started teaching your class?
Oh, I can't wait for this. This is fun. Okay.
All right.
So
our flour, we got some cocoa powder here, our leavening agents and salt. All right.
Okay.
So now I would probably put it back on like a speed, yeah, the lowest you can do.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Let's actually.
I do everything with my hands. You see.
Sifting the flour.
I see it Gertie here when you do that, John. I love
This
it.
is this is definitely.
This is Gertie.
So we're gonna add half the dry mix,
At a time.
all the water, then the remaining dry mix.
And have you ever had a tough cake? Well, that's because they beat it.
So
too
that
much.
low speed. There we go. All right. All right. And now slowly we'll get that in there. All right.
Take that.
And then we're just gonna take.
Yeah, stir that around.
Scrape down our sides real quick. Make sure you get all that dry ingredients in there. Don't want any pockets of flour. And
So the sauerkraut, we did the same thing with this kraut as the braised champagne cabbage. We rinsed it very well with cold water and drained it out. And so the sauerkraut kind of gives a tang to the batter. It's sort of like if you would be putting yogurt in, but when you chop that kraut, it gives it a really nice consistency. It's almost like you have some coconut, mouthfeel of that. But you get a little creaminess in that too.
And you wouldn't even know there's sauerkraut in here if we didn't tell you made it.
That's right.
That just looks.
Doesn't that good?
Yeah.
It does look good. So so we're gonna do that there, and now do the magic of television one more time.
These will be going into your oven at 350 for 20, 25
5 minutes, and then what do we have?
And then.
You pull out of the oven. There we go.
There we go. Voila.
Look at that.
Lolo.
The
Lolo.
magic of television.
All right, let me get the
And I bet
plate,
we have a
and
taster
then
tonight too. No.
Oh, here. Really, this is kind of a, if you ever, or you buy the Domino's sugar box, there's this frosting on the side there for cocoa buttercream. Almost the same recipe. Well, we use a little bit of heavy whipping cream to lighten up a little bit more, and also a little more butter fat. Never hurt anybody. You're already having dessert. We saw how much sugar went into this thing in butter. It's okay to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to your frosting, you really just want to make a nice layer of frosting. Just pipe it all around there. You just want to make sure you cover all the areas of that cake, because there's nothing wrong with frosting.
he's not skipping.
They look amazing.
There we go.
Awesome.
Look at that. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.